what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily do an appointment booking on Shopify. So of course, just make sure that you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Then in a new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, just start searching for bookings. Then press enter. So from here, you can see list of apps for appointment bookings. So from here, let's try using this app, Easy Appointment Booking app. Then just click on install. Just grant access permissions by clicking on install. So from here, we can start by creating our first event. So just select the product. So say this product, for example, then click on select. So from here, just select the event or service that you want to create. So let's just select this, then click on continue to next. So from here, just choose if you're available on a weekly basis or only on specific days. So say for example, we're going to choose weekly. And from here, all you have to do is customize your weekly schedule, your time zone, and day, start time, end time, and actions for the whole week. And once done, just click on Save Changes, then continue to next step. So from here, just customize your event or service. Say, for example, the name of the event and service, the appointment duration, bookings per time slot, and customers should be able to book at any time or only at specific intervals. And once done, just click on continue to next step. Then lastly, just customize payment options. You can choose to pay to book or book without payment. And also select if you want to send confirmation emails. You also have an option here to avail the pro subscription. Then once done, just click on save. So the final step here is to integrate it with your theme. Just click on integrate with my theme. So our appointment booking has been activated. Just click on save. So once you have pressed save and integrated your theme, we can just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!